What's up everyone, welcome to Editorial Vibes, and today I am unboxing a brand new camera. I'm so excited. I will now have two different cameras to shoot with, and yeah, I'm just super excited. So what had happened was the camera that I'm filming this video on right now. So let me tell you the reason why I got a new camera. The first reason was because my camera started malfunctioning a few days ago. The one I'm shooting with right now is the Canon 60 Mark II, and I love this camera so much. Obviously it's working again because I'm filming with it. However, I was freaking out because I do have a few clients that I'm shooting for coming up. I wasn't sure how long it was going to take to get the camera back from repair. Contacted Canon customer service, tried to diagnose the problem. I troubleshooted it and nothing was working. The best advice that I did that the tech told me was to take the batteries out, take everything out of the camera and just let it sit overnight and let it chill and see if it resets itself. It did, because obviously I'm filming here with you. So I wasn't quite sure if the camera was going to reset itself and I needed something to shoot with. So I could have rented one. I looked into renting one. I looked into local repair shops that could fix it, how long it would take for Canon to fix it. And they gave me an estimate about 4 to 6 weeks. I need it now. So I was looking at this camera anyway, and I finally got it. So I'm gonna show you guys what it is. I got the R6. I'm so excited about this camera. I ended up ordering the lens attachment, like the thing that you put on this camera to use your other lenses. So that will be here tomorrow. So I'm not able to do anything with it right now with the current lens. We did get this camera and it comes with the lens because they did not have the body only. This is not a review of the camera because I have not shot with it and tried it yet. So this is strictly an unboxing. So it comes with all of the paperwork and the warranty information. It also has the manual inside of here. I'll be reading this all night. I see the battery charger, the strap, it's protected in these plastics, so it ends up being like this in the box. So I mentioned before that we ended up getting the one with the lens, so I don't have to use the attachment to use this lens because it's made specifically for this camera. The other lenses that I currently have and shoot with, I will need that attachment, and that's on its way here, and I should get it by tomorrow. So this is the 24 to 105 lens that comes with it. It's different from the other lenses. It's a little bit smoother in the texture. We'll see how this shoots. And then this is the body. It's so beautiful. This does come with the swivel screen. It's just like my Mark II that I'm filming with now. The display looks a little bit bigger, but it's smaller than the R5 screen from the reviews that I looked at. The eye area where you look through it is a little bit bigger. It is a little more lightweight. We'll see how it is once I put on the lenses that I actually shoot with. I know with this lens it's probably not going to be as heavy, but shooting with the lens that I'm filming with now, and then my macro lens, we'll see. And it also has the attachment, so it might be a bit heavy on this end. I do see what everybody's saying about it fitting really nice into the hand. It's not as bulky, and it fits, it nestles into there. You have your mic jacks, HDMIs, all of the connectors here. You have the card reader here. This is dual, so you can put 2 SD cards inside the slot. It just overall feels really beautiful into the hand. You have your dials here for your modes. It does not have the digital screen like my 6D Mark II has, but that's why I'm keeping that one, because I truly love the camera that I'm filming with right now for pictures, for video, especially video. It just makes everything look very beautiful. However, I will say the camera I'm currently filming with does not go up to 4K. This one does. This is mirrorless, if you didn't already know. So it's not gonna have that mirror piece like the other Canons have. So it is gonna be a little bit different shooting with it because I'm so used to having a mirror, but I have heard that it is super fast. Oh, that's nice. That's what it looks like. I am so excited to use this and try this out. So obviously I can't really tell you how it shoots and like the picture quality, but from all of the other reviews and things that I have been looking at and reading and watching, the picture quality is pretty amazing and you really can't tell the difference between the R6 and R5. Now, I have the 6D Mark II, so I'll be comparing to that. And I'll be using the same lens that I use for this camera right now onto this one once I get that piece that allows me to connect my current lenses. On this channel, I want to do like equipment reviews, unboxings. I want to show you behind the scenes, kind of like what I do with Editorial Vibes Studio on Instagram. This will be more for video and photo, but mostly like showing you the actual transitions of what I'm doing behind the scenes when I'm shooting products and stuff. So hopefully this is another outlet and resource for you to come to, along with my Instagram page, for making your product photography so much better. I have so much content planned and I'm just excited to get started. And yeah, so I guess you can consider this my first video for Editorial Vibes Studio channel. So stay tuned.